Xbox Series X motherboard. Let me show you what's going on. This is the connector that you connect the power button and eject button to. Front ribbon has been damaged pretty badly. It is a fairly tight area to work in. This will be our first time replacing it. This video is brought to you by PCB. More about their awesome services in a bit. I think my approach here will be to low melt it off. I expect I will try to hand solder it on. While I set up my equipment, let me throw out my expected temperatures for this job. These temperatures are brought to you by the Amazon associate links in the description. If you head to my video description and click on one of these links and buy any of this equipment, or if you buy anything during that session, a small portion of that purchase will go to supporting the channel. And I greatly appreciate you. It won't cost you an extra dime. I'm going to add some flux, and we're going to do our best to flood this area with low melt without doing damage to surrounding parts, because we do not have a donor. I don't care about bridging. Well, I mean, if the pins are just going to come off, that's cool. That actually works. All we have to worry about is the anchors. I am not going to complain about this. And we've already done our first little bit of damage. Let's be a little more careful. I wonder if we can just pull this off without air. Excellent. Without even needing hot air, we pulled this off. The magic of low melt. We are wicking because we flooded with low melt, and we don't want to leave the low melt there. I'm going to try to get away with adding the solder on this connector as we go, rather than tinning the pads, but we'll see how that goes. I'd like it to be flat to the board. I think we'll tag down these two anchors here, gently holding it down. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just tacking it down. Let's try getting these big anchors first. There we go. Excellent. And we're bridging. This is not what I want to do. Now we need to clean that bridge. PCB offers contract manufacturing, a one-stop solution. Click on OEM EMS and learn about PCB's expertise in printed circuit board, electronic components, technical parts procurement, turnkey PCB assembly, CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal, injection molding, and integrated manufacturing and assembly. Check out my affiliate link in the description and get your project started today. Okay. Alright, I think we've got it down. That looks pretty good. The first time is never going to be that smooth because you're trying to figure things out. I hope this video is being helpful to you in your repair journey. Just a reminder, if this is something beyond what you want to try yourself, I do offer these services. Just head over to micromage.repair, click free quote, fill out the form, and I'll get back to you personally. Let's have one last look before I finish cleaning up and send it back to the shop. Everything looks pretty good. A little awkward on the first try. We have to figure out what tools work best and how to best execute the repair. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll enjoy this one, and I'll see you there.